the most featured resort on television in the Philippines. Birdland Beach Club is a boutique hotel and resort that features 30 rooms, 2-hectare beachfront, its own private island, natural saltwater swimming pool, bamboo jeepney and bamboo tricycle tours, spa, and massage services. A geographically unique family and large company resort located on a raised beach platform, facing westwards, overlooking the South China Sea. The resort lies within a coconut plantation and has an open frontage, giving cool shade and incoming breezes to its central gardens. Guests are treated to an outlook over its frontal infinity pool, river, white sand island and sea view horizon with magnificent sunsets. Casa Almarenza Bed and Breakfast is your private getaway located along Patar Road. It's a small, quiet coastal town located at the western tip of Pangasinan. For travelers who want to take in the sights and sounds of Bolinao, Casa Almarenza Bed and Breakfast Resort is a perfect choice. Finding an ideal family-friendly hotel does not have to be difficult. Welcome to Villa Soledad Beach Resort, a nice option for travelers like you. Rooms at Villa Soledad Beach Resort provide a refrigerator and air conditioning, and guests can stay connected with free internet access. In addition, while staying at Villa Soledad Beach Resort, guests have access to a concierge room service. Majestic natural wonders, world-class accommodation and amenities, plus the warmth and friendliness of the service staff make Puerto del Sol Beach Resort the ideal destination for blissful relaxation. Whether you like a refreshing swim within the resort's outdoor pools, frolic along stretches of unspoiled cerulean beaches, in the mood for serious outdoor adventure or a quiet dignified retreat, thank you for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe.